Learn French with Queen. I'm glad to be here again. Okay, is this the first time you're tuning into my channel or you see my video? This is a space for learning French, and I say a big welcome. Do well to take your time and learn with us as we take today's video. So today's video will be looking at our numbers, les chiffres ou les nombres. So you can either have it as les chiffres or les nombres. So that simply means numbers. So I told us in my previous video that learning number is quite important. It is quite important for us to know our numbers because obviously we make do of figures every blessed day. While we have transactions, our business, or even when we want to look at our time, or we want to do anything that has to do with arithmetic. Obviously, if you look in depth, you know that we definitely need something that has to do with figure every blessed day. Okay, so today we will have to continue from where we stopped. The previous time we stopped at 0 to 10, but today we'll be looking at from 10 to 20. So let's take a step further. Okay, so 10 simply means this. So 11 means onze. So 11, that is how to say 11. 11 means onze. 12 means douze. 13 is treize. 14 is quatorze. 15 is quinze. 16 is seize. 17 is dix-sept. 18 is dix-huit. 19 is dix-neuf. 20 is vingt. It's not difficult. So let's take it one more time. 10 is dix. 11 is onze. 12 is douze. 13 is treize. 14 is quatorze. 15 is quinze. 16 is seize. 17 is dix-sept. 18 is dix-huit. 19 is dix-neuf. 20 is vingt. So obviously, this is how the French people did their calculation. Starting from 17, we have 10 plus 7, which simply means 17. So 7 is set, 10 is this. So we have dix-sept, the same thing for 18. Dix-huit, 10 plus 8, which gives you 18. We have dix-neuf, 10 plus 9, which gives you 19. So that's just a simple calculation for 17 to 19. Then we have vingt, which simply means 20. I hope you can recite that by yourself. So let me meet with you at the comment section to know how well you can recite your numbers. Okay, so do give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Don't forget to share to loved ones who will love this content, and do subscribe. See you next time.